How to withdraw money from Binance to Payoneer USD account. So the step are so simple to follow. Now after you open up your Binance app like this, now tap on this search. So after you tap on this search, go and search for withdraw. So if you type in withdraw, you'll be able now to see withdraw page like this one. So select this withdraw page. So after you select the withdraw page, allow it to finish loading. So all you have to do now, from this option here, it says withdraw. So select a withdrawal method. So tap on this option now to select the USD. So in this option now, go ahead now and search for USD. After you select the USD, for me now I will use this one. So after you select the USD like this, now all you have to do now, it will give you an option like this one. As you can see now here, it says receive method. So it will give you a bank like this now. If I tap on this continue button now, it will allow me now to input my bank detail. All you have to do now, after you come to this option now, go back and open up now your Payoneer account and tap on the USD account and tap on the request payment. So from there it will give you account number and the IBAN number. So after you copy the account number and the IBAN number, tap on this continue button. It will give you option to type in the account number and the IBAN number, and now you can specify the amount that you want to withdraw into your Payoneer account. From there, the money will be sent into your Payoneer account within some hours. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.